Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the bottom case of your Lenovo IdeaPad 510. This process can enhance your laptop's performance and aesthetics, so let's get started. Tools required *. 1. Phillips number 0 screwdriver. 2. Plastic opening tool. 3. Anti-static wrist strap, optional but recommended. 4. Small container for screws. Step 1. Preparation. Before beginning, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. If you have sensitive data, consider backing it up. Wearing an anti-static wrist strap can protect your components from static electricity. Step 2. Removing the screws. Flip your Lenovo IdeaPad 510 over and locate the screws on the bottom case. Use the Phillips number 0 screwdriver to remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. There may be a few hidden beneath rubber feet or stickers, so check for those as well. Step 3. Opening the bottom case. Once all screws are removed, take your plastic opening tool and gently slide it between the bottom case and the laptop body. Carefully pry open the bottom case, working your way around the edges. Make sure to be gentle to avoid damaging clips that secure the casing. Step 4. Cleaning internally. Now that the bottom case is off, take this opportunity to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow dust off the fans and heat sinks. This will improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 5. Installing the new bottom case. If you are replacing the bottom case, align the new case with the laptop body. Press down gently to ensure all clips are secured. Once in place, proceed to reinsert the screws that you previously removed. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the case. Step 6. Final checks. After the screws are in place, flip the laptop over and check for any gaps or misalignments. Ensure the new case fits perfectly before proceeding to power on your laptop. If you find that your laptop still has issues, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel needed. You can simply send us your device, and we will handle the rest. Step 7. Power on. Turn on your Lenovo IdeaPad 510 and check if everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any problems, feel free to reach out for assistance. We always provide a quote before repair to ensure transparency and satisfaction. That's how you replace the bottom case of your Lenovo IdeaPad 510. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Enjoy your refreshed laptop experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.